Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to manage the contact in your Samsung A40, import and export all the contacts. So to start this operation, search for the contacts icon, which means going to be here, contacts. Now 3 dots on the left side. Now manage contacts here, and now import and export contact. Then import. From choose the space which you want to import the contacts. For example, SIM card. Choose the contact which you want to import. You can import all the contacts by pressing here. Now done. And now import contact to phone, SIM2 or Google account if you wish. Choose the phone, import. And that's it. All the contacts gonna be imported here, and you have new contacts on your phone from the SIM card. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!